shit, so.
Oh, here you go. Now you're on.
Air conditioning is very bad, and it's like 100 degrees out. You gotta get to fix the fan. You don't get much air.
Oh, it's so comfortable.
And it gets super hot out here, so now the truck, different story. Probably drive the truck around doing this. I don't know where I'm
Head
going.
east on East Maxwell Avenue toward North Pines Road. Then turn left after Jack in the Box. Turn left after Jack in the Box. On the left, onto North.
Oh, there goes. Well, it works just in time. I'm going to keep the phone right there. What I need is a little phone attachment right here. Is the air conditioning. But one time in the wintertime, I was doing DoorDash, and I had the attachment on the fan that was attached to the fan, and there was a heat, so it burned the phone up, and I got stuck out in the middle of the woods. I couldn't get the thing to cool off. It was ice cold outside, and it was heating up the car. Now the heater in the car works great, it's just the air conditioner. So luckily, that's back on. So.
In a quarter mile, turn left.
Oh, it's nice down there. It's very nice. I feel that. It feels really nice. You gotta keep driving the car. And keep
I told you that, yeah. Exactly.
Once it cools off. Yeah, but you gotta keep the phone like that all the time. Get it pick up. It's, what is it? 8. I think it's 850. So it's not bad. Here's the second order. First one was
7:43.
743. This is 850.
This is 7:43 right now.
No, I'm talking about the amount.
Oh, dollars.
$8.50. Oh, yeah. I don't go.
Oh,
I'm trying to keep things
my
around
mistake.
around $8. So that's what I'm saying.
Head west on East Trent Avenue toward North Pit Road.
That's a nice
This is
break.
a tough road to cross, and so you gotta really be careful. Nothing else.
Stater is sure going like a bat at
It's
a
still hot as hell. And tomorrow.
No, I said the stater.
Yeah, and tomorrow I'm not going to be doing this because it's going to be 106 degrees. This air conditioning is really failing at this point.
Head east on East Trent Avenue.
It's only
Turn right onto Washington 27 South.
It's only in the
Pines Road.
90s. Already it burned on my phone. You're not getting any kind of air at all to this thing. So it's.
Continue on Washington 27 South for 1.5 miles.
Check that out.
I'll check it out.
Wow, man.
Oh, that guy's got to be blazing hot.
Camper and he's
It's hot.
having a conversation with somebody. I don't
Well,
know.
it's probably a heat stroke. I mean, that's a lot. It's
I
hot
mean,
out there.
dehydration causes, yeah, levels
Yeah.
of neuroses.
You want to have the right amount of electrolytes and
Yeah,
minerals in that for your not like you're just sweating all the time.
yeah, like some fish and chips.
And you want to have shade, find a place of shade.
She's got a rough one there.
Yeah, a lot of people they're used to the heat.
Baby cart.
I guess if you grew up out here, you might be just used to it. I've never been able to get used to this kind of heat.
Oh, me neither, man. How
But
long have you been
it's
here?
fun.
5 years?
It's fine.
Five seasons.
Yeah, it's fine when you have a decent air conditioner. I think this thing worked a little bit better the first year over here, but this thing is not happening.
It never really was that
If you
good.
roll your window down, normally, you can roll your window down, some cool air. No, it's all hot. It's like an oven out there.
It's Eastern Washington.
Yeah, I mean, most places like it cools off at night. Not here. Well, like Phoenix or Las Vegas, it doesn't cool off there either, or Tucson. But that's a whole other game. You're talking about. I was looking at the other day. I was looking at the weather in Vegas. It was 150, 160 like every day for a whole week straight. So it's not that bad here. It's not going to be 115 every day. If it was, I wouldn't go anywhere. I'd have this car. I would have to make sure this was fixed first, because that's just not going to happen.
Oh, look at him. He's got the
Racing
moves.
this,
He's got the moves.
See, I got the mic thing here. Something like this.
I have no idea. I can't tell from here. I don't have
I can't put
glasses
the phone
on.
up because
But it's too hard for me
if I
to
put the
see.
phone up, it's going to burn up.
I think it's right on Mission.
Oh, yeah.
Is it
yeah.
Mission?
It's not that far. That's why I picked the order, because it's just down the street.
Oh, man. Excuse me.
It's first order was just down the street. It was only like about 1.5 miles, 2 miles. This one's only about a couple miles, and they're both almost $8.
That's
So,
okay.
Okay, yeah.
That's not great, no.
It's not the best.
No.
But I'm telling you, it's better compared to what the other orders I was looking at. No, it's better. So we're doing pretty good so
Another
far.
one's another unmarked one right there. There's something going down tonight. My God.
In
A lot
a
of
quarter
smoke.
mile, turn right
I
after
saw
Jack
that,
in the
yeah.
Box.
There's a lot of fires
Oh
around.
yeah, oh shit. Okay. Can't see much. Kind of yellow.
Yeah, it's July. I can't go right there, so I'm just gonna go around.
Oh
You
yeah,
have to
down
do
by
a detour. You have to go to
Carl's Jr. I mean
Turn
Jack in the
right
Box.
after Jack in the Box. On the right, onto East Maxwell Avenue.
Jack in the Box.
yeah, it's I'll probably start doing more. You know, that's the thing about it.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto North Wilbur Road.
Now that I think about it, I think the same thing happened last year.
What's that?
Around July, when it started heating up like this, I decided to come do much work because it was so hot. And I resumed in August. August starts to cool down. August is, you think that August would be the hottest month. In most places, August is really hot. Here, no, it's not. It's the hottest in July. It peaks out in July. In fact, next week is going to start going back down. So I think this is a peak. We get 106, it's going to peak out, and then next week it's going to go down, and by the end of the week it'll be like 78 or 80. So that's when it's back to normal. But these days I don't want to go out and do anything.
Turn right onto North Wilbur Road, then turn left onto East Mission Avenue.
No point. Right here, then look good. I like that statue.
Turn left onto East Mission Avenue.
That's a nice house for sale.
Yeah. So we're back in the same
like that
neighborhood.
one.
We've kind of been staying in the same neighborhood today.
I have.
The last, I did too.
Okay. Oh, there's a car.
Can't make
Yeah, you can. But there's.
It's only second order.
Continue on East
nice
Mission
view.
Avenue for 3/4 of a mile.
Let's see if we can get that again. Such a nice.
Big work. Yeah, this is all kind of in the neighborhood, so
Yep.
detour.
Oh, this is a nice
So
view.
20 miles an hour. That's right. Speed zone. You gotta
You
go
can
20.
see. Oh yeah, there you go. That's out there by that park.
Oh, that's why I go 20 because it's a park.
Yeah, the one with the slide, the water slide. I wonder if that's
Yeah.
open right now.
I don't know. I haven't heard anything about it.
It'd be right over there. I think that's the water slide area.
But they make it go 20 because there's a bunch of kids running around here. It's like a
Well,
school.
indeed.
It's almost like a school.
Oh, look at that view. Guys, that's so cool. There's the water park. Oh wait, that's just a swimming pool. I don't know. Maybe they don't have it open this year. Let's see that.
Here we go. $9.
Buffalo Wild Wings.
You gotta wait.
Favorite.
That one you gotta wait on it. Where's it going? That's actually really.
Is it on?
Yeah.
We got an order. It's for $19.25. Now I probably shouldn't have taken it because it's really far. But I figured, well, it'd be good for filming if we have enough. Actually, we.
I don't think.
I don't know.
No, I don't think it will. Okay. Filming? Alright, we just picked up
We're
an
gonna
order.
watch the scenery.
We picked up an order at the same restaurant as we did just the last order.
It's starting to get busy.
But this one's over $19. And the only reason I got the order is because it's gonna be a nice drive. And I know we won't pick these orders, but it'll be a nice drive, nice to film. And it'll get me up to my $35 for the night. That's it. So here we go. Enjoy the ride. It's a really good restaurant here. If you're ever in town.
Head west on East Trent Avenue toward North Big Road.
I don't know if I have to go right or not.
West is that way.
Yeah, that way. So I guess I'll have to wait till you guys. Yeah, I guess we have to go back on the freeway over there.
medical lake was when we had that one.
Yeah. Well, remember
Airlift
remember
fire
those-
thing, oh
remember
my
those
God.
helicopters and guys
Yeah.
were pulling the couch out of there, and there's like
They were doing flame retardant on everything.
there was like dumping stuff on there, and there's flames everywhere.
Yeah.
And they're evacuating the place, and we're like, oh my God, we
Yeah.
gotta get out of here.
They
And
would
it was,
try to
it was like
surprise.
you're kind of trapped back there,
Yeah, I noticed that. I didn't enjoy that.
and that's why it's kind of you gotta figure when you're going to places like this, you also have to see if there's any fires that are going on.
Yeah, Eastern Washington in the summertime.
Yeah, you can see all
That's
this.
interesting. Are you there? Oh, sorry.
Oh, we're going over to, I know we're going. We're going to Argonne. Once we get on Argonne, we're going to hop on the freeway. 20 miles, does that say?
I can't read both. I think it's like, I can't tell.
Oh, it's
I
a
have
pretty
my
far.
glasses on.
It's at least 15 miles, I think. Because I look at the order, I'm like,
Oh, God.
you know, yeah, I like getting $1 mile round trip. You know, like there's no way I'm gonna get $1 mile round trip.
Let's see. Yeah.
In a quarter mile,
14
turn left
miles?
onto North
Yeah.
Argonne Road.
Yeah, so it's
14 miles.
there's no way we're getting anywhere with $1 mile, but you know what? I just figured it'd be nice to kind of drive and film it. Sometimes it's just about the experience,
Oh, gosh.
just driving.
Yes.
Sometimes you're driving somewhere.
Oh.
The more you drive, when you get this car moving, the air conditioning
Turn left onto North Argonne Road.
I know, that's why I'm always
It's
saying.
actually starting to
I don't
cool
like it
down.
when it sits still too long.
It's starting to cool down a bit too.
Oh, well. It cooled down 1 degrees, you bet.
It's 94 degrees. Look at that.
I know, it was 95. You're right. It's really starting to freeze me out. Not funny, apparently. Okay. Fine. Two guys here got their big gulps. Oops. Did a finger.
They have this experience.
Continue on I-90 West for 8
That's what I
miles.
need to do with that one. The gluten-free biscuits I do the video on.
Yeah.
I need to do gluten-free biscuits and gravy. Oh my God, I can do that. I actually can do that. I've got some sausage. That's what I'll do.
Let's get some gravy, yeah.
Yeah, gluten-free biscuits and gravy. Nippers on Cooking Fresh with Roxanne. Catch me on YouTube and TikTok. Saturday night on the I-90.
Yeah, not too bad. It's kind of it's lazy.
Oh yeah.
That's fine. Give about $20.
You might get more if they tip up.
Yeah, sometimes you get $10 more. Yeah. You never know. But I mean, things have happened. It's happened like that before. Usually it's a bigger order. Like if it's a bigger like catering order kind of thing, they will tip up. I don't think they will here unless they have cash to. But
$2.79.
it's still be a nice drive. Sometimes like there's zips with it. I like to drive, get away from town.
Well, this one's actually bringing
Stuck
you
in.
to town.
Let me stuck in there around all the time. I just down the street. That's the way you make money. You just stay in you stay around those blocks there in the mall. But sometimes I just want to get out of there. I'll take a order. Now, if you came out here, like if you took that order and then you went over and just started shopping around, doing orders in Southfield, that'd be fine. You could do a bunch of orders there. You can get a bunch of orders there, and then you can come back. So you could make some money on that side of town. That area we're going to, they order a lot because I used to deliver groceries there because it's kind of isolated, and all the restaurants are up on the hill. So people would order from groceries and restaurants because they don't want to drive across that freeway and they're kind of just, it's just like a bunch of houses up there, so you can make some money out there in that area. Look at the sun, wow, that's pretty cool. Red. That's a Maserati, look at that.
What?
Remember that song, Maserati? Mama just...
No. Sing it to me.
I don't remember it. It's 70s.
No, I can't believe
It's
I
not
didn't
really
know
a song.
it's
It's,
70s.
I like the song. That song.
Yeah, they've seen it numerous times. I've had my hand over on it. Watch the car, the one that's got the brake lights. How about that one? Oh, it smells out there right now. Cute.
There's a Carl's Jr. right downtown.
That smells like good hair. Probably not Lowe's. It's probably pretty busy down there at night in that city. Oh yeah. Well, there's the Toyota dealership. I remember when we parked in front of that our first
Yeah.
night there.
There's that old church. There's a milk bar over there.
Oh
I don't know
yeah.
what's in there, but
It's not milk.
I want to go to that old church and see it because it looks really old. Just to see the architecture and like old buildings. That's one thing I liked about when I was in Europe.
Okay, you're coming up on it.
The old buildings. 500 years old.
Coming up on it.
Yeah. See it. Go back.
In a half mile, take exit 279 for US 195 south toward Colfax, Pullman.
She sounds like the lady at the airport.
And see what's nice about it this time of the day. Quiet. Dave, you can rent a house here. Rent it.
That's interesting.
Yeah, it's probably been here, there, but
Beautiful view, oh my god.
it's in the trees.
Such beautiful view.
In the trees. And then when it's wintertime, you get all snow up here.
Oh yeah, we've
You
done
got
a
snow
delivery up
tires.
here. I've never been up here before.
I got some good tips up here. I got like cash, some decent cash tips up here.
Gosh, I wish I could turn around and film it.
Well, it's alright. Just film on the way back.
I'm trying to get the views. I'm doing really good.
How about
That's fine.
shut it down now? We're filming on the way back.
No, no.
Oh,
I got
we
this.
gotta stop anyway. Here's on the way back to see the views coming down.
Yeah, we will. If it's still daylight, daylight. Wow. Oh, I think you go around and around and around. Now we're almost there.
We're going to the top.
Here you're in the way of
Look
the
at that
view.
retaining wall. Isn't that awesome?
Oh my god, that's beautiful. This was the size of
Yeah,
small
kinda work out.
hotels. Retaining walls?
I used to do small ones, so big like that. You guys are really good. These guys are doing them up here. Very good retaining walls. They're getting ready to build out there. Look at it, they're building houses up here. See, here's the views. Look at that guy coming